Welcome to Punta Cana, the easternmost tip of the Dominican Republic, known for its stunning beaches and luxurious resorts. This tropical paradise, nestled between the Atlantic Ocean and the Caribbean Sea, is more than just a tourist hotspot. Did you know that Punta Cana is more than just a place? It's a nod to the region's lush cane palms, adding an extra layer of tropical allure to your getaway. So buckle up because there's so much more to Punta Cana than meets the eye. Punta Cana often gets a bad rap for safety concerns and limited activities. But is that really the case? Well, it's high time we debunk these myths. Like any travel destination, safety in Punta Cana depends largely on taking the appropriate precautions. Just as you would in your hometown, it's important to stay vigilant, especially in crowded places. But generally speaking, Punta Cana is no more dangerous than other tourist hotspots. And as for the claim of limited activities, that's far from the truth. Beyond the postcard-perfect beaches and luxurious resorts, Punta Cana is brimming with adventure. Fancy a little thrill? Try zip-lining through the lush canopies. Looking for something more laid back? Snorkeling in the clear Caribbean waters could be your thing. And let's not forget about the vibrant local markets that offer an authentic taste of Dominican life. So Punta Cana is not just about beaches and resorts, it's a whole adventure waiting to happen. Behind the luxurious resorts and stunning beaches, Punta Cana hides a rich and vibrant culture. As you venture beyond the confines of your resort, you'll find a world of flavors waiting to be explored. The local cuisine is a delicious blend of Caribbean, African, and Spanish influences. Dishes like mofongo, a savory plantain mash, and sancocho, a hearty 7-meat stew, are staples you simply must try. But the cultural feast doesn't stop at your taste buds. Let's talk about the music. The beats of merengue and bachata, rhythmic dance music infused with the essence of African, Spanish, and indigenous Taino cultures, are integral to the Dominican Republic's identity. Whether it's in the streets or the clubs, the music is a constant and contagious pulse that you can't help but move to. And then there are the traditions. One of the most prominent is the Carnaval de Punta Cana, a grand celebration that erupts each February. This annual festival is a vibrant display of the local culture, with streets transformed into a sea of colorful costumes, lively parades, and infectious music. It's a spectacle that truly encapsulates the spirit of Punta Cana. So when in Punta Cana, don't forget to step out of your comfort zone and taste, listen, and experience the local culture. There's a secret in Punta Cana that only a few know about. Tucked away from the commonly trodden paths of sun-seeking tourists is a place that truly encapsulates the spirit of this Caribbean paradise. It's called the Indigenous Eyes Ecological Park. This private reserve is a sanctuary for the senses, a place where the city's hustle and bustle fade into a memory. Here you'll find yourself lost in a lush landscape, teeming with local flora and fauna. But that's not all. The park is named after its crystal-clear natural pools, referred to as eyes by the indigenous Taino people. Each pool is a window into a world untouched by modernity, a world that reminds us of the beauty of simplicity and the harmony of nature. So if you've been yearning for an adventure that's off the beaten path, this ecological park is your hidden gem. Punta Cana is full of surprises waiting to be discovered. There's no doubt Punta Cana is more than just a beach destination. This tropical paradise is not only home to stunning beaches and luxurious resorts, but it's also steeped in history and culture that often goes unnoticed. We've debunked the common misconceptions about Punta Cana, such as safety concerns and limited activities beyond the beach. In fact, Punta Cana is a safe and vibrant destination with a plethora of activities to explore, from water sports to hiking trails and even an exciting nightlife. We've also delved into the rich culture of Punta Cana, showcasing its local cuisine, music, and traditions that are often overlooked by tourists. From the savory mofongo to the lively merengue music, Punta Cana is a cultural melting pot that is worth exploring. And of course, who can forget the surprising hidden gems that we've uncovered? From the breathtaking Hoyo Azul to the historic Altos de Chavon, Punta Cana is full of surprises waiting to be discovered. Share your own Punta Cana experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel insights.